Last video on my truck, got it finished. Again, replaced 2 doors, blended into this front fender, cleared the 2 doors and of course the front fender, and actually blended into the cab corner and blended over. Didn't have to use blending solid, and I melted it right in on the third clear coat, so it turned out great. Beautiful truck with this pearl color on it. So I'm really happy with it. So again, put a couple of doors on it. You can see inside, she's really nice. I knew it would be. I put the C-pillar in it, of course. And again, trimmed all of that out, cleared it. But nice job, I'm happy with it. So it just goes to show, I mean, you can do this. Get everything all lined up. I put new running boards on her. Doors, just gaps and all, just great. Closes very easily. So everything worked out. I'll give you a little overview of it. So again, final project on the 2013 K1500. Thanks for watching. I do want to mention before I close that I got my 100th subscriber on my YouTube channel a couple of weeks ago, so I'm a little tardy getting the congratulations and the thanks out, but thank you. I think I'm now up to 106, so subscribe to the channel. We'll show you some more things here in the future.